Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter power-stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the FX4 Off Road Package, and the XLT Premium Package. We do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, your backup camera. We do get a Bedliner with this vehicle as well, with a tailgate step, side bed steps as well, with platform gripped running boards, side view camera with trailer tow mirrors, blind spot detection, turn light, and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space up front, or in the back here, B&O sound system. We got floor mats, carpeted interior, cup holders, 2 USB-Cs, rear vents, 120 volt, and we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly power driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered door mirrors, lights, tailgate, spotlight, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 820 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get, come on girl, my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To remember, we get tons of storage. You get some outlets here, cup holders, get 2 more if need be. Your center console with more storage. You even get a little light down there so you can see what you're doing. We got our 4-wheel drive modes, rear locking diff, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with heated front seats, and your climate controls just right there. 12 volt, 120, storage above and in the glove compartment, storage on the dash, 6 Upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, and your nice twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, engine brake, hill, traction hazards, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle. Looking at our screen here, we get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging and email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and YouTube. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE02218, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.